Hello and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Yeah, we're just continuing exactly where we left off before.
Wonder what Rivet's up to.
Wonder who we're gonna play.
Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and hold that thought.
Warmongers are ready for purchase. Oh, I love
There's
me
just
a
so
rocket
many
launcher.
weapons. What the fuck?
Upgrades ready. Are you?
These boys are worth the full upgrades. Actually, same with these ones.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.
Back to visit,
All
surely.
sales are final, honey.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal. I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
Did we just swap?
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to,
Shit.
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing?
Oh, this is cool. Ah. Okay, he just...
Good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
Can you just come down to the ground again?
We'll see about that.
You think you're so tough?
My army just...
Let's turn up the heat.
Oh, you bitch. Right? Does my army come with me?
I want
No.
small maxes be as
Gotta be more careful.
absolute as they are insufferable. Just move already and let me enjoy my reign.
This is not looking good.
I've got it covered. I'm totally fine. What did you do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Oh, I died. I didn't even realize.
Do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy because I am here.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Oh, I thought he just killed me again. Oh, he just kills them. Okay, I need these ones. He just fucking destroys them. That's just kind of annoying. Wait, if I freeze him on the ground... Oh, I can't freeze him like I did before.
Tough crowd. How about a change of scenery?
Oh, not again.
2 against 1 isn't fair. So this one, my team.
Nice, Grunthor.
Are we on Sargasso?
Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
You're just chatting. But pretend I'm not a threat. So you
I don't even know where you are.
Hi, your Emperor. More brilliant and powerful than ever. That's it. I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova.
Shit.
Supernova? Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to meet you and Ratchet in front of this of my adoring fans.
Where is he? How am I missing this? Ah, shit. That does nothing. Cool. Alright. I do like the amount of damage that does, but it does not do what I need. Where is he?
Enough of this insolence.
Don't think that's meant to still be there. There we go. Easy peasy. Don't destroy that. It's gonna be too much of a bitch to get again. I think the actual if he steals Kit,
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him. Wait. If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
okay. Can do all the arena now, or just this? Fly 5 waves. Okay. Now let's go get some ammo. Can we not leave? Here's the exit.
Thanks for coming to Zerkis. Grab your weapon.
Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must
Hold that thought.
Make an entrance with the bombardier.
Oh, please! Someone help! There are so many enemies! Have no fear! Little Zircon has the Bombardier! Rain disaster on your enemies with merely a pull of your fire trigger! The Bombardier will soar over that battlefield and... you know the rest.
I want. I can't get it.
Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
Okay, that's fine. Right, well, finishing this off.
You unlocked it, sugar!
I think I already had that unlocked. I think the game bugged. But that would explain why they were just dying straight away.
You earned it!
Yeah, I need to upgrade this as well. I've been using this quite a lot. Oh, what's this? Each shot, okay. Ah, I'm just missing one. That's so annoying.
Anyway,
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
all of the other names on that hit list.
It is not your fault that they were captured.
We are not letting the Emperor destroy my home. Just find Pierre, you guys. He'll help you warn Captain Quantum.
I think yeah, this is gonna be a shorter episode. I'm going to leave it there because I'm definitely
Looks
probably
like the
gonna go
miner's head
around.
chef is missing. Bet someone at the hub knows something.
Yeah, their words. Stop interrupting me, Rivet. Yeah, and just go around, just gain everything I can to upgrade. Just like I'm sure there's like things here, like there's still a bunch of shit I can still get. So yeah, I'll probably just do that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part. Yeah, the next part will just be like me doing this. Like I'll just go around to these planets doing other stuff, like just grabbing upgrade materials and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.